नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर हेमंत व्यास, Associate Professor and Head of Department of Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we are going to discuss about cecal valvulus. So cecal valvulus is generally a rare condition, and the causes of intestinal obstruction. It is one of the cause of intestinal obstruction. Presumably, it is more likely to occur following any surgical procedure which might require some degree of medial visceral rotation or disruption of the fusion plane between the cecum or ascending colon with the lateral peritoneum, providing sufficient mobility allowing cecal valvulization to occur. A constant feature of cecal vacuole is the presence of a constricting band across the ascending colon. This may be found at laparotomy. In a plain X-ray abdomen, cecum produce round shadow in the center of the abdomen. Resection is the ideal treatment of this condition. No, if there is loop and which is gangrenous, do not derotate. We should go for clamp of the mesentery first, then detorsion can be done to avoid reperfusion of injury. Comparison of cecal volvulus and sigmoid volvulus. So sigmoid volvulus is comparatively more common than the cecal volvulus. So let's go for differentiation. Cecal volvulus is rare, whereas sigmoid volvulus is common. In cecal volvulus there is clockwise twisting, whereas in sigmoid volvulus most of the time there is anti-clockwise twisting. The cecum is mobile in cecal volvulus, whereas the long mesentery is the cause of sigmoid volvulus. Most of the time middle-aged persons are affected by cecal volvulus, whereas elderly and debilitated persons uh, are the most common patients who undergo sigmoid volvulus. Then kidney shaped gas shadow with single fluid level on the left side is found in cecal volvulus, whereas omega sign or coffee bean shaped or two fluid level can be found in the sigmoid volvulus. The treatment only by surgery is seen in cecal volvulus, whereas non-operative treatment should be attempted in all cases provided there is no ischemia. This is the feature of sigmoid volvulus. So if we see the summary of this topic, we should understand, or what we have understood from the volvulus term. So volvulus is twisting of the intestine around its own axis. तो जब हमारे इंटेस्टाइन्स हैं तो ये पाइप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स जो है, तो काफ़ी सारे इंटेस्टाइन हमारे एब्डोमेन में है. लाइक 6 मीटर जो है वो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन है, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन भी इससे थोड़े कम लेंथ में है. तो ये काफ़ी इसको जिगजैग वे में एक हमारे बॉडी के अंदर इसको फिट किया गया है. तो कभी कभी ये होता है कि ये जो हमारे इंटेस्टाइन्स है ये अपने खुद के एक्सिस के अराउंड ही रोटेट हो जाते हैं. तो रोटेट जब हो जाते हैं तो क्या हो जाता है, देयर इज अ काइंड ऑफ नॉट, यानी उसमें गांठ पड़ जाएगी रोटेट होते ही, जिसकी वजह से इंटेस्टाइन में ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन प्रोड्यूस हो जाएगा. ओके और जो स्टूल है वो आगे की तरफ पास नहीं हो पाएगा. और कभी कभी ये काफ़ी लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग हो सकता है, गैंग्रीन प्रोड्यूस हो सकता है, फिस्टुला प्रोड्यूस हो सकता है इंटेस्टाइन में. So we have to go for surgical treatment many of the time for treatment of this volvulus. Okay, So that's it from the today's presentation. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you very much.